Today we're diving into the Wuloo Intercoms wireless for home, specifically the 6-pack configuration. This system is designed to provide seamless communication within a home, office, or even between buildings on a property. We've gathered reviews from all over the internet, and here's what people are saying. The Wuloo Intercom system boasts a 5,280 feet range, utilizing 10 channels and 3 digital codes for secure and interference-free communication. Wuloo, the brand behind the system, specializes in FM, ASK, and FSK wireless technology, bringing over 20 years of expertise to the table. The package includes both a quick start guide and a detailed manual, making setup and operation relatively straightforward. Key features include monitor, talk, Vox, group, and calling functions, along with adjustable volume control. A notable advantage is its compatibility with a 5V1A power bank, allowing for outdoor use. Now, let's delve into the specifics, drawing from a wide array of user experiences. One of the most frequently praised aspects of the Wuloo Intercom system is its ability to facilitate clear voice communication without the need for shouting. Users have found it particularly useful for contacting family members in different parts of the house, such as calling children down for dinner or reaching someone in the garage. The ease of setup is another recurring theme in positive reviews. Many users have reported that the system is easy to install and configure, allowing them to quickly establish communication between multiple units. The ability to communicate with one person or the entire family with the touch of a button is also highly valued. However, the Wuloo Intercom system is not without its drawbacks. One common issue reported by users is interference. Some users have experienced interference from CB radios and walkie-talkies, which can disrupt communication and make the system unusable. Additionally, some users have found the audio quality to be less than ideal, describing it as garbled or unclear, particularly when speaking too loudly. Another point of concern is the limited number of channels. While 10 channels may seem sufficient, some users have found that it is not enough to avoid interference from neighboring devices or other intercom systems. There have also been reports of static and unwanted conversations being picked up by the intercoms, further detracting from the user experience. Some users have even reported that they had to shut the system down entirely due to these issues. Spacing the units at least 5 meters apart is necessary to avoid interference. Despite these limitations, the Wuloo Intercom system has received positive feedback for its range and customer service. Some users have found the range to be sufficient for their needs, particularly for communication between buildings on a property. Additionally, users who have contacted customer service have generally reported positive experiences, with issues being resolved quickly and to their satisfaction. The system's versatility is also worth noting. Its compatibility with power banks allows for portable use, making it suitable for outdoor events or situations where a wired connection is not available. The Vox function, which enables voice-activated transmission, is another useful feature that can enhance convenience and ease of use. Taking a closer look at the features, the 10 channels and 3 digital codes are designed to minimize interference and ensure secure communication. However, as mentioned earlier, the limited number of channels may not be sufficient in all situations. The monitor function allows users to listen in on a specific channel without transmitting, which can be useful for monitoring children or other family members. The talk function enables two-way communication, while the group function allows users to communicate with all units simultaneously. The calling function provides a quick and easy way to alert other users that you want to speak with them. The adjustable volume control is a standard feature that allows users to customize the audio level to their preferences. In terms of usability, the Wuloo Intercom system is generally considered to be user-friendly, thanks to its detailed manual and straightforward controls. However, some users have found the system to be a little complicated to use at first, particularly when it comes to setting up and configuring the various functions. The instructions emphasize the importance of proper setup and placement to avoid interference and ensure optimal performance. It is also important to note that the system operates on a lower frequency, which can make it more susceptible to interference from other devices. Considering the pros and cons, the Wuloo Intercom system offers a convenient and affordable solution for home and office communication. Its long range of multiple channels and user-friendly features make it a viable option for those who need to stay connected without the hassle of shouting or using mobile devices. However, potential buyers should be aware of the limitations, including the potential for interference, the audio quality issues, and the limited number of channels. It is also important to carefully follow the setup instructions and experiment with different channels and codes to find the best configuration for your specific environment. Despite its flaws, the Wuloo intercom system has proven to be a valuable tool for many users, providing a reliable and convenient way to communicate with family members, colleagues, and others. Remember, the product link is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. To summarize, the Wuloo Intercoms Wireless for Home presents a mixed bag of experiences. While many users appreciate the ease of setup and the convenience of having a dedicated communication system within their homes or offices, others have struggled with interference and audio quality issues. The 5,280 feet range and multiple channels are definite advantages, but the limitations of the system cannot be ignored. The compatibility with power banks adds to its versatility, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Ultimately, the decision to purchase the Wuloo intercom system will depend on your specific needs and priorities. If you are looking for a simple and affordable way to improve communication within your home or office, and you are willing to troubleshoot potential issues, then it may be worth considering. However, if you require crystal clear audio and are concerned about interference, you may want to explore other options. The value of clear communication in a home or small office is significant, and this system aims to provide that, though with some noted caveats. The Wuloo intercom system distinguishes itself through its blend of features targeted at simplifying domestic and small office communications. The system's advertised range of up to 5,280 feet aims to ensure that communication is possible across considerable distances, whether within a sprawling home, between a main house and outbuildings, or across a small business complex. This range allows users to stay connected without relying on mobile phones or having to raise their voices, addressing a common need for easy, accessible communication. The inclusion of 10 channels and 3 digital codes is intended to minimize interference from other devices and ensure private conversations. This feature is particularly useful in densely populated areas where multiple wireless devices may be operating simultaneously. By allowing users to select from a range of channel and code combinations, the system seeks to provide a reliable and secure communication link. One of the standout features of the Wuloo intercom system is its ease of use. The system comes with a detailed manual and a quick start guide, which walk users through the setup process step by step. The controls are straightforward and intuitive, making it easy for users of all ages to operate the system. The inclusion of features such as monitor, talk, Vox, group, and calling further enhances the user experience, providing a range of options for different communication needs. The system's compatibility with power banks is another notable advantage. This feature allows users to take the intercoms with them on the go, making them suitable for outdoor events or situations where a wired connection is not available. The Vox function, which enables voice-activated transmission, is also a valuable addition, as it allows users to communicate hands-free. Despite these advantages, the Wuloo intercom system is not without its drawbacks. One of the most common complaints among users is the issue of interference. Some users have reported that the intercoms pick up static and other unwanted conversations, which can be disruptive and annoying. This issue appears to be more prevalent in areas with high levels of wireless activity. Some users have also reported that the audio quality of the Wuloo intercom system is not as clear as they would like. The sound can sometimes be garbled or distorted, making it difficult to understand what is being said. This issue seems to be more pronounced when the intercoms are used at a distance or in areas with background noise. Another potential drawback of the Wuloo intercom system is the limited number of channels. With only 10 channels available, users may find that they are unable to avoid interference from other devices, particularly in densely populated areas. Additionally, some users have reported that the range of the intercoms is not as great as advertised. While the system is supposed to be able to transmit signals up to 5,280 feet, some users have found that the range is significantly shorter in practice. Overall, the Wuloo intercom system is a decent option for those who are looking for a basic and affordable way to communicate within their home or office. However, it is important to be aware of the potential drawbacks, such as interference and limited range, before making a purchase. The system is easy to set up and use, and it comes with a range of features that can be useful for different communication needs. The compatibility with power banks is also a plus, making it possible to use the intercoms on the go.